Hello, we're Enrique Maitorian, Alejandro Godoy, and Alan Valdez. We chose the parabola because we think it's the most useful conic section in real life. We hope you enjoyed this little video. It had been the worst week of my life. I thought that the bad life would end on Friday, since I was apparently going out with my girlfriend to the movies. The problem is that my girlfriend broke with me on Thursday night because she had cheated on me with an African American who had just moved to town. Besides, I had failed my math test for not studying well the parabolas. Alan Valdez, where are you? You have the worst grade I've ever seen in my life. You got 0 out of 100 points. How did that happen? It's too bad. You did all the exercises in the parabola wrong. I was devastated, but I hadn't studied anything because I thought the parabola would not help me in my life. Then I saw something that completely changed my way of seeing the world. It was a parabola. It was the first parabola I had seen in my life, and it was not in the classroom. It was a satellite dish. But I realized that the antenna went much higher than the dish. Assuming that the antenna was the focus of the parabola, I began making measurements in my mind. The antenna had a length of around 50 centimeters, while the diameter of the dish was of about 126 centimeters. First, I started with the equation of the parabola y squared equals 4cx, with the focus of 50 centimeters because it's the antenna's length. And I found that the LLR is 200 centimeters because it's 4 times c. Then, I sketched the two endpoints 100 centimeters over the focus and 100 centimeters under it. Also, the plate had a diameter of 126 centimeters, and I got the depth by solving the equation y squared equals 4cx. I substituted y with 63 and 4c with 200. After that, I got a depth of 19.045 centimeters. Finally, I sketched all of the elements.
Hold me close, we're falling to the ground. Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you.
Since that day, I discovered I could see parabolas everywhere. Lenses, different constructions, the ceilings of different buildings, lamps, even satellites use parabolas. After that, I entered the car industry. The principle used for the car headlights is also used for torches. The light is placed in the focus of a parabolic mirror. As light travels, and in its mirror, it is reflected in lines parallel to the axis, in straight lines, as can be seen in the next image. The focus is where the different lines meet. As you can see, light comes from the focus and is reflected in the parabolic mirror, then sent out straight so that the light is really powerful. I was even able to create my own car agency, and when I wanted to increase my earnings, I was able to use a parabola equation to find how much should the price increase, so my earnings also increased. I became rich, even got a girlfriend thanks to parabolas. Long story short, parabolas are used in everyday situations. It's not just for making students mad because they don't understand. Parabolas can be used in constructions, economy, cars, whatever you want. It's just you need to find a way to use it. Good luck with parabolas.